If there is a YouTube niche that anyone can start from today, from anywhere in the world, without spending a single dollar, with 100% free tools, it's going to be this one. This channel, called Modern Ideas, has almost 300,000 subscribers with just 15 videos, and there are several videos that have over 1 million views. This is another channel under the same niche, which has gained 113,000 subscribers within just a year. When you consider these results, there is no doubt that the niche is working, and it has huge potential. The only question is whether you're going to take advantage of this or not. If you are planning to start your journey, or if you are someone who has tried many times and failed, this is the only video you need to watch. I'm going to teach everything from basics to all the secret tips that these YouTubers are applying to their channel. And not only that, I'm going to create a new channel under this niche and upload my first video with you guys. So, buckle up. You're going to learn a lot of new information for free. If you really want to start this today, just drop a comment saying, "I'm going to start today." And if you want to skip some chapters, use description. I have added the timestamps, but I would highly recommend to watch all the way because you're going to learn some tips that will boost your views and things that are going to help you to monetize your channel. This niche is called psychological self-mastery. It's a genius way to combine two niches, which are psychological and self-improvement. Let's start with the basics. Before creating your channel, you need to find an old Gmail account. If you are using a new Gmail, make sure to warm it up. The main reason why we do this is to avoid a shadow ban. You know what I'm talking about, right? You put so much effort into making videos, thumbnails, and even do SEO correctly, but you only get just 10 views, and it's frustrating. This is called a shadow ban. When you are creating a new channel, you have to avoid this. If not, all your hard work is going to be a waste of time. Let me simply explain the reason behind this. Thousands of Gmails are created daily, but most of those are bots. And when you use a new Gmail account to create a YouTube channel, the algorithm initially thinks that it's a bot, so it's not going to organically promote your channel. That's why you must warm up. After you create your channel, make sure to be active on YouTube for at least 2 weeks. Watch videos, engage in conversations, and let YouTube algorithm gather enough data about you. You can do it right now by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel, or start a conversation in the comment section. Now, you need to select a name for your channel and create a logo and a banner for it. When you are selecting a name, make sure to go with a name that can represent your niche. What I would do is, I will use ChatGPT to generate some name ideas. As you can see here, I have simply explained what my niche is about, and I'm going to generate some names. Out of these names, I really like this name, Ego Alchemy. That's going to be the name of my channel, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a simple description for this channel as well. That was easy. If you want, you can even generate your logos and banners using this. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use Canva for this part. And don't worry, you only need the free version. When it comes to branding your channel, you need to stick with one main color theme for your channel. Your logo, banner, and thumbnails should be in these colors. This channel is using white and black, and this one is using red and vintage cream. So all the successful channels are doing this. The reason is that these colors represents their brand. Whenever someone sees their thumbnail, they will easily understand the video is from their channel. Here are some eye-catching color themes you can go with. I'm going to go with this black and yellow. Let's make the logo. You just need to log into your Canva account and follow these simple steps. If you guys are getting bored, let me show you something that will boost your energy. Just take a look at how much this channel is making according to Social Blade. And you can do that too. So, get back your energy and do this with me. First, you need to go to this custom size feature and type these dimensions, width and height. Both should be 2000 pixels. Okay, now I'm going to go to these elements and select these shapes. And let's add this square shape to the dashboard and resize it to match the surface area. And let's change its color to yellow. Now, I'm going to go to this text layer and I'm going to add the initials of my channel name, which is Ego Alchemy, as text. Okay, now we can select a cool font style for this later. I think this looks cool. Now, let's go back to the elements and search for a crown graphic. There are a lot of free graphics available, You just need to select a good one. Crown is just my idea. You can use your own ideas and add different graphics to make your logo more unique, make it more creative. Just like this, my logo is completed. When you are creating the banner image, go to Custom Size again and use these dimensions. Width is 2,560 pixels, and height is 1,440. Now, this size is suitable for all devices. In this case, I'm going to add a black texture as a background. So, let's go to Elements and search for that. Instead of just using a solid black background, we are using a textured black background. It's going to give his banner a unique look. And I'm going to add a small slogan to represent our niche. Make sure to place it in the middle so that it can be visible on all devices. Just like this, you can easily create a banner. Now, let's start the content creation process. I know you all have been waiting for this part. To be honest, it's not as complicated as it seems. The first thing we need is a video idea. A good idea is the most important thing about viral videos. And I know, most of you guys don't know how to find good video ideas. So, let me show you how to do that. If you take a look at these two videos, both have over 1 million views, which means the audience loves this type of topic. The first thing is about the brain. It's basically about how your brain wants to keep you in your comfort zone and why it's holding you back, something like that. What we can do is, we can make a new video about a similar subject. In this case, it's going to be the brain. So we can do a topic like, your brain isn't lazy, it's hijacked. This is just one idea. If you can think creatively, this is going to be super easy. Based on this one viral idea, I have come up with 5 different unique video ideas without copying the original content. So yes, finding viral video ideas is not as complicated as you think. You just have to be a bit more creative. You can do the same thing with the help of AI. It's the easier way, but if you want to be more creative and make authentic content, don't use AI for everything. Which is going to bring us to the next important thing, the script of your video. Before going into that part, I would like to thank you guys for your support of my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, and if you think my channel is useful, hit that subscribe button. Now, what were we talking about? Oh yes, script writing. Let me give you simple advice. Don't use AI-generated script for YouTube videos. Don't ask why, just don't do that. So that means we have to create our own scripts? Of course, yes. YouTube rewards authentic content, and now it can detect whether your script is AI-generated or not. Here is the easiest way to make a good script by yourself with just a little help from AI. You are going to ask ChatGPT to generate 3 different scripts for your video topic. And then you need to read those 3 carefully and write your version of the script. Now, I know this is not easy, but if you want to be successful, you have to do this. AI-generated scripts no longer work on YouTube. After analyzing these 3 scripts, I generated my own script for this topic. As you can see here, I have started this script with a hook to grab the viewer's attention as soon as they open the video. And throughout the whole script, I have added interesting points to keep the viewer's attention towards the video, because our goal here is to get a good retention. Without good retention, your videos will not go viral. So I would say, work more on your script and make it interesting. You can ask your friends or family to read it and what they think about your script. Script is the heart of your video. Now we need to convert this into an AI voiceover. I will show you 2 options that you can start initially without paying. The first option is DupDub AI. It has 3 days free trial, and the next option is 11 Labs. It's going to give you free credits, which would be enough for like 3 videos. After you start your channel and start to make some progress, you can start their basic package, which is just $5. These 2 are the best and cheapest options you have on the market. When it comes to selecting an AI voice, always use a calm, energetic, and young voice for this niche. The voice I'm going to use from 11 Labs is called Jonathan, and this is a pretty good voice. Here is how it sounds.
Your brain isn't lazy. If it were lazy, it wouldn't feel exhausted all the time. Your brain is hijacked.
That's perfect. You can get the links to these tools in the description. Now, it's time to create the visuals for this video. Now for this, you need some stock footage. Pexels and Vecteezy are some of the websites where you can download copyright-free stock videos. Apart from those, you can use some movie clips under the fair use policy. So, if you are using movie clips, don't use more than 2-second clips. If you watch the videos from the example channels I showed you, you will understand how they use movie clips. For the editing process, I'm going to use the CapCut free version. This editing process is super easy, but it's going to take a little bit of time. So first, you need to start a new project. Make sure to go to this Modify option and select the suitable dimensions for YouTube long videos. Just import all the videos and voiceovers to the timeline. First, you need to add the voiceover to the timeline, and we are going to edit part by part. For the first part, I'm going to use this stock video, and I think it's suitable for the script.
Your brain isn't lazy. If it were lazy, it wouldn't feel exhausted all the time.
Yeah, it's perfect. Now, if you don't like the color tone, you can always go to this Filters feature and change the color grading of your video. After that, I'm going to go to this Text feature, and let's add a text layer. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to dramatically add captions. Not just boring captions. I'm going to add them so that we can see some uniqueness through it. You can change the text settings with these options. There are a lot of free font styles and text effects. So, you need to make something like this.
Your brain isn't lazy. If it were lazy, it wouldn't feel exhausted all the time.
See how everything matches with captions and background video, and for the next scene, I'm going to use this cool video of a brain animation. And to highlight the hook of this script, I'm going to add another text layer and type this text. And when the narrator says the word hijacked, I'm going to add some effect to this video. So let's go to these effects feature and add a glitch effect to that part. And it's going to look like this.
Brain is hijacked.
I think you understand how this is going to be, so just like this, edit all the scenes, and then we need to add some sound effects and background music to this video. For the sound effects, you can use a website like Pixabay, and for the background music, the best and free website is the YouTube Audio Library. So, add necessary cinematic sound effects to the suitable places, and this is the final result I got.
Your brain isn't lazy. If it were lazy, it wouldn't feel exhausted all the time. Your brain is hijacked. You wake up tired, not physically, mentally. Before you even stand up, you scroll. Notifications, short videos, noise.
See, it was super easy. I've already given you the 90% of the knowledge you need to start a channel under this niche. The final, and one of the most important things that you need to learn is how to make viral thumbnails for this niche. I have created a prompt. This is not just a simple prompt, it's a detailed prompt with all the information. Using this prompt, you can generate viral thumbnails for your videos. Let me show you how to use it. In this background section, you just need to type the background color you want. For this video, I'm going to try dark yellow. Then, in this main graphics section, you need to type the design idea you have in your mind. And finally, you just need to add the slogan you want in this typography section. Then, copy this whole prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And that's all. And this is the results I got. And these are some of the other thumbnails I designed with this method. And now, you have learned everything to start this process by yourself. You just need to take action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a comment on what you think about this video and what I need to improve from my side. I would highly appreciate that. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.